Beef up your grilling game in minutes with this easy stuffed burger. Serve it up with your favorite grilled sides. Start with 2 equal-sized small bits of ground beef. I prefer 80 to 90% lean. Get right in there and don't be afraid to work with your hands. Form it into a burger-shaped patty, nice and flat, consistently thin. Work around the outer rim to form it. What you're looking for here is a flat surface so you can load it up with lots of good toppings and cheese. Today I'm using jalapenos, cheddar, and chopped mushrooms. These are my garden fresh, pickled jalapenos and garlic. Throw in the mushrooms, load it with cheese, but leave room to seal it to contain the toppings. If you haven't already, form another patty the same way. I like to set this down and work around the edge. Go back around and pinch it all to seal in the grilled goodness. You don't want the cheese to leak all over your grill. Coat both sides with salt and pepper. Preheat the grill ahead of time.
Oh my God.
Cook the first side, then you flip and finish to the desired doneness. If you'd like, use a food thermometer to make sure it's done. Having cold cheese and filling on the inside sometimes keeps the burger from cooking as quickly as it normally would. This grilled stuffed burger is truly unforgettable and goes perfectly with every grilled side you can imagine. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Record.